So it is Thursday, November 5th. We have a very special device that we are trying, but apparently it's a very safe and effective device. We shall see. But it is the LYTE wireless light therapy. It literally says 30-day facelift, huh? But it helps rebuild collagen, includes a topical serum, combats acne, minimizes wrinkles and age spots. So we're obviously going to be doing it for the acne part. Going to be, oh my god. So this is what my acne is looking like right now. I am just having so many breakouts all of a sudden. Little pimple here. There's just a bit of texture here. But this is pretty much just scarring for the most part. And then there's like actual pimples. Jawline is kind of problem area for me. Yeah, this is the before. I'm obviously going to take a picture. So anyway, this is the LYTE device. Introducing the LYTE device. Ooh, this is the vitamin C. I am so excited. This looks legitimate. I think it comes with like sunglasses. This comes with sunglasses. I am so excited. Should I wear these in public? Do you think this is a look? Do you think I'll get hit on with these? I'm gonna be a babe magnet. A+ already. I might have to actually charge it. Oh my god, I really don't know. It's showing blue. I really don't know what this means. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it'll beep when it's lack of power. So I think I have to actually charge it. After working for 5 minutes, the device will enter the standby mode for 3 beeps. Ooh, you will feel warm when treating. Use twice a day, 20 minutes at most every time. Avoid excessive use. Oh my, what does that mean? Will I die? You will see if these pimples and these discolorations will go away. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we put a very romantic setup for this light. It's showing red, so yeah, I'm only gonna charge it for a bit because I'm not patient. We're just gonna see if it works. Okay, so like legit, I already lost the glasses. I literally put them down. I don't know where they went. They're probably buried under something. So I'm just using different ones. Anyway, so this is the device. And this is the vitamin C. I already put it on. So we just do a few drops, which we already have. I'm so confused. I'm confuzzled. I am just combobulated. I don't know what is going on right now. It's kind of making like a light buzzing noise. I don't know if you could hear that. Oh my god, the glasses are literally right. Oh, you had to like touch it. Okay, so apparently I have to hold this for like 5 minutes. So this is motion sensory, but this is my problem area. So we're gonna do this for 5 minutes and then maybe an area here. And then yeah, I'll go to sleep and then I'll update you. Stay tuned. It is November 7th, using the vitamin C, of course. Oh my gosh, they even have like little flexes of, I don't even know, gold or something. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a dot right there. I literally can't find my glasses, so we're just gonna close our eyes and not open them at all. Vitamin C. I can't get over the little specks. I don't know what these are. There's like Korean. Oh yeah, it's a Korean product, so it must be good. Putting the vitamin C on. I feel so glowy. Yee. Okay, and this has been charging, and it stays red when it's not fully charged. I already cleaned it with an alcohol swab. Woo. Okay, so I do have problem areas again here. I'm gonna hold it here for like 5 minutes. Sunday, November 8th. I'm just drinking hot water with calm magnesium powder in it, just for healthy hair, skin, and nails, of course, as well as I just have a candle lit. I have my mood lights going on right now. Super relaxing. I've also been journaling a lot today, so I've just been letting out some good emotions that I really need to do right now. Just keep going on these problem areas, and then we'll just compare the before and after. Take some time out of your day to just breathe. Take a walk in nature. That's what I just did, and I took a shower. Anyways, this is like a self-care video, also tied in with like light therapy test. So this is like our 2-week mark. So it's November 17th, Tuesday. We are going to use the LYTE device, and I guess I will update you for the final conclusion tomorrow. Every single time I use it, I feel like a warm sensation on my skin. Apparently that means it's working. There's so much debate whether or not light therapy is actually a good thing. Like apparently at home systems, I heard that they're not as good as like the ones in the spa. But this one, it like warms my skin. I don't know. I feel like it's stimulating something. But again, it's kind of like a love-hate thing, and I've kind of been on and off with light therapy devices because you kind of get at this point of like self-doubt if it is doing anything. You feel that point when you haven't even like tried it for long enough. But anyway, I feel like my skin is looking much more brighter. These two little friends, they popped out of nowhere, but that's totally fine. Yeah, I'll tune you in tomorrow. I do not want to blind myself, so I'm going to just tune you in tomorrow and we'll just do the final update with the before and afters. I'm so excited. This is the final update. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. It is Wednesday, 18th. Oh my gosh, where is time going? Holy crap-a-moly. Anyway, so this is the final update. Like literally, I have no active pimples like at all. Like literally at all. Like even this, like it's like non-existent. Oh my god, I have a little stuff. I have my little peach fuzz. So yeah, I literally have no active pimples. It's so exciting. I don't know what the heck happened. Comparing my skin from when I started till now, and it's been like 2 weeks, so it's been quite a while. I don't know. Again, I'm gonna have to edit this back, but I mean, it feels very good. Literally so flat. So I'm so excited. And I don't know. I think I have nothing but good things to say about the LYTE device. Like it never made my skin worse. Like I've seen so many other YouTube videos. A lot of them say like it's really good with brightening. So let me know if you think my skin looks brighter in any way. But anyway, we're gonna put the before and after pictures now. I'm so excited to compare. I tried to do it morning and night. I did it every night for sure. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm definitely think I'm going to be continuing using light therapy. But yes, I'm very excited. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. Please subscribe to that when I release music. I'm so excited for that. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.